afternoon. My name is Camille Malabad de Villa. So I am demonstrating bathing of the baby. Module title, Providing Care and Support to Infants and Toddlers. So best time to bath the baby is between 9 to 10 a.m. Best place is in the countertop. Water temperature should be 29.4 degrees Celsius. Provide privacy and respect to the client. Close all the doors and windows. Put down the curtains and draperies. Turn off the air conditioner and electric fan. Never leave the baby unattended to avoid accident. And then, do the proper hand washing for 20 seconds. And prepare all the materials. Rubber mat, cotton buds, cotton balls, digital thermometer, petroleum jelly, betadine, alcohol, baby shampoo, liquid soap, bar soap, grooming accessories, 4 towelettes, blankets, extra diaper and clothes, dressing trolley, plastic bag, 3 basins, bathtub, garbage bin, pail and beaker, and then hand wash again for 20 seconds, and let the baby put on the countertop. Undress the lower extremities. Remove the shorts and trousers. Put it in the laundry bin. And check the diaper if soiled. Unfasten the diaper. Use the cleanest part of the diaper to wipe from top to the bottom. Use your free hand in grasping the ankle and gently lift the baby. Insert the diaper into its buttocks. Assess the genitals for redness or irritation. If there is, use cotton balls with betadine. If there's no redness or irritation, get the basin with warm water. And then check the water temperature with your elbows and the wrist. And then, if the client is a girl, get the cotton balls. Dip and squeeze. Clean one side of the genitals, including the starting from top to bottom, including the inguinal area, including the labia down to the anus, and then discard, and then repeat until thoroughly clean. And get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean another area in the inguinal, from labia down to the anus, and then discard. And repeat until thoroughly clean. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Also clean the middle from top to bottom and then discard. And repeat until totally clean. If your client is a boy, get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the one side of the scrotum starting from top to bottom down to the anus and then discard. Repeat until totally clean. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the other side of the scrotum, the inguinal area, down to the anus. Discard and repeat until totally clean. Get the cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Squeeze a little amount of water over the penis and shaft and clean in a single stroke down to the anus and then discard. Repeat until totally clean. And get cotton buds, dip both ends, clean the scrotum in a horizontal manner according to folds and creases. Discard and repeat until totally clean. Remove the diaper, seal it, put it in a plastic bag, and throw it in a trash bin. And cover the diaper area. Perform the temperature. Wash hands for 20 seconds and then get the digital thermometer. Clean the thermometer to see cotton balls with alcohol from cleanest to dirtiest in a circular motion and then discard the cotton balls. Check the temperature if it is functioning and then dip the bulb dip the thermometer to the petroleum jelly before inserting proceed to the rectum to prevent traumatizing the mucous membrane of the anus. And then put the baby in the side-lying position. Insert the thermometer, 0.5-inch tip. And then wait for 2 minutes. And gently gently remove the thermometer and gently back the baby in spine position. And then clean the thermometer from cleanest to dirtiest and then discard. Read the thermometer. If it is 37.5 higher, do sponge bath. If it is 37.5 below, proceed bathing. Put back the thermometer in its container and get cotton balls. Remove the excess petroleum jelly to the baby anus. And then discard the cotton balls. And then we proceed to tapping hand wash for 20 seconds. And then remove the upper extremities, widen the armhole and the neck hole, and then put it in a laundry bin and wrap the baby in the blanket to prevent shielding. And then get another basin with warm water. Check the temperature using your elbow and wrist, and get cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the eyes of the baby from upper inner to outer contus and then discard. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze the lower inner to outer contus and then discard. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze. Clean the upper inner to outer contus and then discard. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze the lower inner to outer contus and then discard. And then get cotton buds, dip both ends, clean the outer hole of the nose to the other side and then discard. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze, clean the upper lip and then discard. Get another cotton balls, dip and squeeze, clean the lower lip and then discard. Get cotton buds, dip both ends, clean the outer lobe and the back of the ear and then discard. Get another cotton buds, dip both ends, clean the other side of the ear, the outer lobe and then the back of the ear and then discard. Get towelette, soak and rinse, do handpiece and fold. And fold. Wipe the face of the baby using the figure of 3 from forehead down to the cheek and down to the chin. Using back of the hand, wipe the face from forehead down to the cheek and down to the chin. And then get dry towel and pat it dry. Then we proceed to shampooing. Assess the head of the baby if there's redness or irritation. If cradle cap, use special shampoo. If none, use regular shampoo for baby. And then get food basin with warm water. Check the temperature. Get the baby and do the football hold with the body lower the extremities. Hold the upper part of the blanket, expose the baby over the ear of the baby. And then get towelette and make line hold. And then the baby in circular motion using your fingertips. After this, rinse the baby thoroughly in another basin. And then pat it dry using the blanket and remove the cover of the ears and the eyes. And then bring the baby back to the countertop and unfold the upper part of the blanket. And then proceed to wetting. Get the basins before mother. Get towelette, soak and wring. Do hand with the fold. Wet the neck from medial to lateral. Use the back of the hand from medial to lateral, the other side. And then soak and wring. Do hand with the fold. Wipe the chest, the abdomen, the axilla, the forearms, and between the fingers. The other side, the axilla, the forearms, and the hands. Pay attention between the fingers. And then soak and wring. Do hand and fold. Wipe the lower extremities. Pay attention to the folds and creases. And then soak and wring. Wipe the back, the baby, including the bottom. And then we proceed to soaping. Get liquid soap, lather it into your palm, gently apply to the body. Gently apply to the body in circular motion. Liquid soap is the best to use to promote bonding between caregiver and the baby. And then put the soap from chest to abdomen, the axilla, the forearm, the hands. Pay attention between the fingers, the other side, the axilla, the forearms, and the hands. Pay attention between the fingers, and then soap and the lower extremities. Pay attention to the folds and creases. And then get liquid soap again. And then back the baby, including the bottom. And then get the liquid soap and then the neck, the medial to lateral. If you are using a bar soap, get towelette, soak and dry. Do hand with and fold. Scrub the liquid soap with the towel, with the bar soap, and then soak the body in circular motion. And then we proceed to rinsing. Check the water temperature in the tub using your elbows and wrists. And then do the cradle hold in a semi-sitting position. Hold the baby securely. Support the back by the hand. And then the water level must be higher than the baby's head must be higher than the water level to prevent from drowning. And then rinse the body thoroughly. Pay attention to the folds and creases. And then rinse the baby body towards you. Rinse the back of the baby, pointing the baby towards you. And then, done rinsing, remove the baby. And wrap it in the towel. Pat it dry. And then, put the diaper. Apply petroleum jelly to the diaper area to prevent rashes. And then place the diapers not to fit, not too tight, not too loose. And then the upper extremities, Widen the armhole. And the neck hole. And then the lower extremities, 1 foot at a time. Remove the towel first and put it in a laundry bin, and put the lower extremities 1 foot at a time. And then we proceed to grooming. By putting powder, turn your back on the baby, put it in your hands and apply it on the lower extremities. If using cologne, do not put directly on the skin, but on his clothes. And then, if using lotion, use hypoallergenic. Use fine foam in brushing your baby. And then, if the nail is long, clip it. And then, put the baby back on the clip. And then do aftercare.